Did you have any idea about that 25% of Aptera reservation holders are additionally shareholders? Aptera invests wholeheartedly in and commend our local area's commitments and diligence to a proficient future. In the event that you are a current financial backer in Aptera or need to get familiar with their contribution, this is the ideal spot to find the open doors accessible to you as a forerunner in Aptera's sun-powered versatility development. For one thing. Hi and welcome to Hypeno, where we present to you the most recent news briefings and examination on making it known from international affairs, EVs, and a lot more to keep you informed. This hour in center, we are investigating Aptera's speculation contributions. That is what you want to be aware prior to putting resources into Aptera. But before we continue, if it's not too much trouble, kindly like and buy into this feed by tapping the subscription button and bell notification underneath to help YouTube learn of your inclinations and to get notices each time new videos are uploaded on this channel. Let's get everything rolling. What's the significance here to put resources into Aptera's contribution? Aptera's crowdfunding effort remains as a demonstration of our local area's aggregate drive, stamping quite possibly of the best drive ever. At the point when you put resources into Aptera, you are buying portions of Aptera stock. Be that as it may, they work under Guideline A, Reg A, and the offers are not public on a stock trade like conventional stocks. Thus, there is definitely not particular stock image related with their Reg A contribution. All things being equal, you become an investor through their Reg A contribution, and the offers are held and overseen through their Value the Board stage, CARTA. Getting ready for a future initial public offering, Aptera has enrolled CARTA as their exchange specialist. They've helped a portion of the tech business best players deal with their investors as they become public and then some. Speculation levels. Aptera is upheld by more than 17,000 financial backers, about the seating limit of Madison Square Nursery, 800,000 plus local area individuals, and 500 brand representatives who loan their aptitude and excitement to additional their main goal of making sun-oriented transportation for everybody. Contribute $1,000 plus. Get a $100 coupon which can be applied to your Aptera reservation charge or the price tag of your vehicle later on. Contribute $2,000 plus. Get a $1,000 coupon used to limit the price tag of your vehicle. To qualify, new or existing financial backers should contribute $2,000 on or after December 1st, 2023. Get a $100 coupon which can be applied to your Aptera reservation charge or the price tag of your vehicle later on. Contribute $10,000 plus. You become an Aptera gas pedal, getting one of the initial 2,000 vehicle meet reservation openings for the launch edition version Aptera. Survey all gas pedal advantages here. Get a 5% markdown on your Aptera, up to $2,500 esteem applied after different coupons. Get a $1,000 coupon used to limit the price tag of your vehicle. Get a $100 coupon which can be applied to your Aptera reservation charge or the price tag of your vehicle later on. What occurs after I contribute? In the event that you are an investor, you can see your Aptera Venture subtleties online through by the same token. Your CARTA account, Aptera's True Value, the executive stage. In your record, you'll find your venture subtleties and documentation. At the point when another venture is concluded through the financial backer entrance, it takes around 5 work days to move to CARTA. Investors will get a warning to sign into CARTA to screen their proprietorship in Aptera. Your Aptera entrance after marking in. At the point when another speculation is concluded or completely vested, it can require 14 days to show up there. To contribute, you can kindly explore to Aptera's online financial backer entryway. As a current financial backer, ventures made before 2023 won't be shown there. Aptera shares are secretly held protections that are not recorded on any open trades for exchanging, unlisted. For your speculation to be exchanged, you should hold on until the organization opens up to the world through initial public offering or gets gained. Could I at any point sell my portions? There is as of now no liquidity market for Aptera's portions. We urge you to audit our standard filings with the SEC to comprehend the ongoing contribution cost per share and our monetary history. Aptera's leader group will give more updates on the course of events and plan for an initial public offering. They will make certain to impart their arrangement to you well ahead of time so you can move your portions quite a bit early. Notwithstanding, Carta can give guidance on the best way to handle a confidential offer of offers. When will Aptera start vehicle conveyances? In November, the biggest piece of Aptera's body was finished, the tub. The group is currently preparing to bond together the bin seat and collect the first of numerous creation purpose vehicles that will go through approval and testing. Registration with fellow benefactors Chris Anthony and Steve Fambro for the best in class in the most recent update. Your job in Aptera's development. Putting resources into Aptera is focusing on making another way that we move. Regardless of the authentic patterns of the auto scene in our present reality, Aptera has followed the way more unfamiliar, focusing on richly productive and brilliantly short-sighted transportation. Aptera's Launch Edition vehicle furnishes proprietors with a minimal expense driving way of life, comfort through charging times and choices, and independence from dependence on outside charge sources. Their speculation offering presents a chance for us all to place the eventual fate of our planet in our own hands. You can contribute today at www.invest.aptera.us. Gratitude for watching. Feel free to offer a thumbs up to the video, we will truly appreciate. Additionally, let us in on your thought process in the comments area. See you in the following video.